Samsung Galaxy A10 is a 8-core smartphone with 6.2-inch LCD screen. It has 2GB RAM and 32GB storage memory. 12GB are already in use by system applications. 32GB micro SD card is included. Galaxy A10 has two cameras. Front has 5 million pixels and rear has 12 million pixels. Later in this video we will test and compare the rear camera. Infinity V display covers almost the entire front side of the smartphone. The case is slim and fits well in the hand. First boot. Now we are performing first boot. The speed of the video is increased to 400%. After boot, we have to set up few options. This is necessary to run the operating system, which is Android 9.0. The video speed is still 400%. The Galaxy A10 is ready for use. We can see that on the front side there is no physical buttons. Navigation keys are displayed on the screen in the bottom. The interface of the Android 9.0 is similar as in previous version. The menu speed is the same as in older Samsung Galaxy J3. Camera test and comparison. Every photo was taken in automatic mode with default settings. No filters and no correction. Every camera has different lens angles, so photos differ in cropping. Most saturated colors has Canon 600D, Samsung A3 and Samsung A10. In zoom, most sharpen and saturated image has Canon 600D and Samsung A10, but Samsung has more noise. Slots and buttons. On the left side we have SIM and SD card socket. More precisely, this is one slot with 3 mounting points for 2 SIM cards and micro SD card. On the right side there is standby button and volume plus and volume minus buttons. In the bottom there is a mini jack port for headset, USB port and microphone.